Our four-leg spider dolly is one of, if not the only, truly robust, truly portable dollies on the market, capable not only of carrying a camera operator, but also one that lets the operator pivot around the adjustable center column, thereby keeping him tucked into the camera for control that he cannot get if he's walking or leaning from a stationary seat. Both the seat and the center column lock securely into safety notches, and the column adjusts in 1.5-inch increments. The column's lowest point is ideal for shooting a person who is seated, and the highest point puts the lens axis in line with the head position of a 6-foot person standing. The column's top can be either 100mm, 150, or Mitchell to accommodate all of the standard fluid heads on the market. As versatile as this is, there are times when you want to get the camera into positions lower than the low point of the adjustable column. For this, we use our low shot kit. In its lowest mode, we strip off the column and the seat and attach an offset cup directly to the top of the dolly. Then, by using 5-inch risers, we can incrementally adjust upwards. The top two positions even allow for us to put the seat assembly back into position. Our spider dollies, of course, run on our Flextrak as well as on standard steel track or on PVC pipe. All of the slow dolly shots seen in this clip were done with our four-leg spider on Flextrak. And now let's look at some behind-the-scenes footage of a dance video being shot that used some of this equipment. Flextrak sets up quickly. Here they just wanted a nice gentle curve, so they created the desired curve and then checked that the pivoting wheels could handle the separation that they had laid out. When using the four-leg dolly, you want to make sure the pivoting wheels stay angled out slightly so that the weight of the camera operator always remains inside the footprint of the dolly. Also, with a heavy load, placing our non-skid mats under the Flextrak will help stabilize it on a slippery floor. We rate the weight capacity of the dolly at 400 pounds. Actually, the dolly can support more than this if on steel track, but more than this on the rubber flexible track will become too hard to push. Here's what the camera is seeing as it gently tracks along with the dancer. Notice how the dolly grip comes to a stop on the candelabra and then subtly reverses the dolly's direction. Generally, one wants the camera work to operate on an almost subliminal level to engage the viewer without calling attention to itself, and we want to give you the tools to make the camera move with subtle and graceful precision. And here we see that they have switched over to the low shot kit so that they could get the camera positioned lower than the lowest point on the DV column. And this, of course, is the point of view of the camera set at that lower position. If you need to work alone or carry less equipment, you can reconfigure your four-leg spider dolly into a three-leg version, and then simply add your tripod to it. All you need to add is the tripod tie-down that is appropriate for the type of tripod you own. There are 2 rubber strap types and a more universal casting available. And still another bonus is that if you own either a 3 or a 4-leg spider, you already own a mini trolley. You simply reconfigure by attaching the wheels directly to the bottom plate of the base. And now you can work in a really tight space with only a 10-inch separation between the wheels. All you need to add is the 100mm cup, which you already have as part of the 4-leg package, or which can be purchased separately if you only own the 3-leg version. As we know, successful footage relies on a camera operator being able to really concentrate on his camera responsibilities, pan, tilt, zoom, focus, etc. The 4-leg spider dolly, which enables the operator to set the camera height accurately and to pivot himself freely around the column, is an essential tool in accomplishing this goal. And since this little dolly is heavy enough to give you professional stability, but light and small enough to be transported easily in a small vehicle, it distinguishes itself as another fine Porta-Jib product designed to make your camera move smooth.